That sounds so nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think that's a pact that needs to happen. Cigars and fucking cigars and espressos in Italy next. That's the only way. Mm-hmm. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another live stream this morning. As you can see, crypto is fucking back. We saw an insane fucking bounce. I'm joined by Mr. Hayes,
Yo.
pumping crypto overnight, pouring our fucking resources into this hoe just so that you guys can wake up green. That's it on the live stream. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Kidding. If you guys are new to these, sips coffee. If you guys are new to these, what we do is outline the market, see what happened overnight, see what can happen during the day, and then that's about it. We do it, keep it short and sweet. I personally haven't traded Fridays in about probably it's been a good amount of weeks that I haven't traded a Friday.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. You just like fuck, dude. You like walk away on a win on Thursday. You're stress free during the weekend. You're not like pulling your fucking hair, being like, "Oh, dude, I'm such a fucking retard for what up, world, for going long, for going short, this and that." You know, you're chilling over the weekend. Gives
Yeah,
you
don't even open up the door for regret.
yeah, gives you time to study. Gives you time to look back at your actions, what you did, what you've done. It's nice. So let's get it in here. Let's see what we did overnight on Qs. Honestly, this is probably the lowest range Asian session. Well, 500 points. Actually, maybe not. Or this low right besides Sunday and Saturday. Why world? Okay, hear me out. Well, we'll dive into crypto real fast. Let me look at what's this FET. Look at this sell off though. Look at this sell off into Thursday. There's our Thursday. There's our Friday. There's our like Saturday, Sunday, maybe Tuesday opened up again and ripper. So it's similar setup that they've done before. Like look at this one, right? Thursday sell off, Friday sell off, Saturday puts in a wick. We see a nice little retrace. So I mean it's even like good for a retrace. We're into our weekly OTEs on a lot of these names. I mean, yeah, this one FET can still come down a little bit, maybe 705 of that, or that's 618. I would not mind that right on FET. That would be absolutely like best entry you could fucking ask for on that name, in my opinion. Like, what is this? 535896. Like, let me move some of my shit around here. Like right there. 5025. Yeah, like a 48. Yeah. Like there's quite a bit of things that they can do with it, right? So I'm really this is a no regrets kind of thing. Yeah, I may not like some of it, but we did see a nice little bounce into it. They could do the same thing they did yesterday. It's like bounce into New York Open, which was right there. No, where was this? Friday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. Like Thursday, like they can do the same thing, right? 4 hour little bounce, and just because we're seeing a little consolidation right now, 12 hour might not be looking so good right now. 115, 115, just chopping. Look at that. Ugh. It does look a little gross, but you know what? You can take your trims, you can take your positions, and then wait on whatever else comes your way. You can go your own way. Like some of the names do look good. Like Dot, I'm riding because it swept this low right there. Right, this 4 hour might look a little rough, right? It might play out to the downside quite a bit on this one actually. But right now, the way that this structure is on the daily and the levels that we tapped into weekly as well, it might look like if they do pump this up, we would want to see it close somewhere like above the equal of that previous week or maybe even previous day. That would give us more conviction to the upside, obviously. But we get what we get right now, and we don't throw a fit. That's what you should
Yep.
be doing
The only
every
reason
time.
I trusted the longs last night was that 15-minute SMT on ETH and Bitcoin at the low,
Mm-hmm.
right under the 200 EMA. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have touched anything.
Yeah. Like ETH saw a nice little bounce on this 200. Right. It's almost retesting this fair value gap that it could not break above. What we do want to see is probably a close inside of this other fair value gap, this lower one that they formed. Because if you take the range of this, technically, right, 786, we want to see at least a hold above that 705 line of price. But what they could be doing, right? They could be doing, if we have a range, they could be doing easily like externals to internals to externals, where it's like if the internals are not holding, then we're going for the externals at the bottom. So this is what we've been talking about for bullish externals versus bearish externals, right? So these are bullish imbalances, all of these fair value gaps. So if these bullish imbalances are not holding, then yeah, we're probably going to see our external range liquidity, which is like this 23.14. And then we can go back and kind of repeat and make it a fucking rising, not a rising, make it a fucking wedge or whatever. Make it an expando channel. Like something like that, right? If they really want to just like fuck around during June. But we'll take our scalps right now. Bitcoin on 200. Dang, Bitcoin saw actually a nice bounce. $2,000 bounce. It's not bad. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how they play these out. Qs, honestly, yet last night I think we said maybe possible retest of this previous daily low and a rejection. We're seeing a little bit of that rejection on the retest of this fair value gap that kept on holding. So just kind of want to see what they want to do here. If they want to keep on holding this below that previous daily low, likely clear this out. This overnight bullshit, clear that out. If they get above this level right there, this 21,684.50, then yeah, we can possibly see a little continuation up, maybe into Sunday open where we can reject. But we do still have some highs left. It's the end of the week. Honestly, it's kind of like at this part where I'm like, I don't like the way this London range played out. So for me, I'm not taking anything. I'm not going to tell you to take anything. I'm not even going to say what we can do. This is kind of just like I feel like today's going to be more of like a scalp environment for futures. They can just close it out nice and choppy into the weekend, and then maybe they'll drop some news over the weekend that will gap us up or gap us down. So at least that's at least for me what I got on these. Not many levels, right? This 4 hour order block kept on holding right there. This weekly, if they want to go outside, that'd be pretty cool, but we need above, as we discussed, or we need to hold below this previous weekly 50%. So 21,549. You can see that on that lower time frame. We've kind of like consolidated around it. Now we're above it. So if we keep holding above it, then no outside week. If we get below it, then there is a likely chance that we do come down to this 21,163 level right there. Bitcoin, yeah. Yep. Bitcoin above its monthly. So I don't know. They can gain some traction. Let's take a look at some more names here on. That was it for me for NQ. I'm not going to go too deep into it, as I don't see Ape. See a nice sell. ZRX. ZRX. I am in some ZRX. I want to see if they can give us a nice push to the upside from here somewhere, just because it's coming into this like order block. It's got some good upside potential in my opinion from these levels. That monthly is looking grim. I mean, they rejected this order block in the monthly. That's the only disgusting thing that I see. They can say downside, more downside. Over here, dot I'm still liking, just because of that daily structure, the way we are bouncing out of this right now. Like we said, obviously they can, retrace this 4 hour, make this 1-2, falling 3. They just need to, if they get below this 4 hour low, then yeah, shorts are on. Sheep can possibly see a bounce, but also just like this structure is what I'm not a huge fan of. Like this 1, 1, 2, 1. Let me show you if I can find an example of when they've fucked that up before.
Market usually doesn't bottom on a Friday either.
Oh,
That's like statistical shit.
we sell 4% down.
Yeah.
Gap.
Don't be the hero.
Yep. Again, but I feel like I've seen this pattern before, where it's like, yeah, they can take this either which way.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we can do with the upside plays that we do have right now that we entered yesterday. IMX swept that liquidity. Doesn't look terrible here either on this OB right there. Over here, me. Right there. There you go. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah, IMX can see some potential at these levels on the daily. Anchor, give me to that. ENS got, I would not mind seeing it at 705. I feel like that would be a decent level if they really wanted to come down to that. Data, came into the CISD. I want to see it hold. A little yawn action. Linky Boo 705. That'd be good. I'll set my alerts. FET Bonk 705. Sweep of that liquidity. Bonk would be a good one. Oh, bonky, bonky, bonky. Repeat this donkey. See, now I feel a little better longing into New York, but possibly just like stay patient and see how it plays out. See what they want to do. See on prom. Even prom is getting away. Come on now. Is this the breakout that prom was gonna do? Because it didn't come down to sweep these. One for fucking ones. Is this what prom was gonna rip out of BCH? Nice bounce. Scale AI mobile. Mobile's about to make a new fucking low. Big time STG. Let's see, is super actually doesn't look bad.
I had a thought last night. I don't know what you think about it. I might just focus more on longing just Bitcoin and Ethereum, kind of how we do with NQ and ES. So I'm not so spread across looking at so many fucking charts all the time.
Yeah.
Because I mean, at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. And like for the first time in a long while, I took a Bitcoin long last night. And I always think like that the coins need to be cheaper to like make money, and it is not the case with leverage at all.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, might have to just like do Sol, Bitcoin, and Ethereum.
Yep, just like the top like five maybe.
Yeah, Sol, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I do like the way that um, Jupe and FET move. Those are
You
like
sweet babies.
my faves. HNT, they're cocking HNT right now. GXS, ACH, boom. OTC. IOTA doesn't look bad. I'm in some IOTAs as well, just because that bounce right there on that 786. So let's see. Let's see what they do with these coins. I want to see how these things play out. What they want to do with these. Jasmine, Near, Krosui, Zai, Maker. Nice bounce. Vet doesn't look bad. Cello, Avex. Yeah, Jupiter, Ave, insane bounce. Yeah, let's take a look at. Actually, we already looked at. Let's take a look at Sol. What's Solana wants to do? 705 swept the previous week low, swept the previous monthly low. On the weekly, soy can come down to 132. I would not mind soy out of 132. I will take soy there. Yeah, let's do that. Let's stick to those bigger names. Let's see if they give us anything there. Actually, oh wait, hold up. Why does that look? Oh, because that's weekly, daily. So I mean that can 786. That would not be bad at all. Like maybe 118 Solana even. On 18 on soy. With 10x. With the stop at like 95.20. That can give if they really want to come down and retest some of those lower time frame levels. But yeah, stay vigilant. Stay patient on these. Let's see how these play out. Add. And that is probably going to do it for today. That's all I have. I don't know if you got anything else.
No, not for today. I'll probably stay off most of the day. Post my key levels and stuff here in Discord in a second, and we'll see.
Yeah.
I had that overnight long, and I'm probably done for now.
Hells yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys. What's up? What about Jupe? Jupe. Yeah, Jupe, like I said, I'm in some longs on Jupe just because of this like retest of the area where we have bounced out of 786 right there. Yeah, they can come down to this, or sorry, 705. They can come down to the 786 and bounce out of there. But I'm liking the bounce on this daily with this order block right there. Yeah, they can come down, sweep that before they continue this up. But I'm liking Jupe from here. Of course, if they don't bounce, then yeah, sure, don't bounce. But these are kind of those big names that we look at. But on that, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here in the morning, bright and early with us. A little bit of a late start on this, but we still give it to you. We still show up, show out. If you guys are new to this, give it a like, give it a share. Make sure you guys follow at the Paper Traders. That's the best way to stay updated with us. That is the channel, or that is the Twitter page you want to be following for any updates. Turn those post notifications because that's when we post on when we're streaming and what's going on inside the community. check out www.papertraders.io. That's the best website to go to find out more about us. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see view past streams. That'll take you to a playlist on YouTube where you can watch all the past streams that we have done and see our track record. Make sure you guys are checking out those tools that are on there. We got the ICT trainer, we got the trader log, risk calculator, candle creator, help you be a better trader. You can check out our weekly subscription, monthly, lifetime if you're looking to stay for a while. You can also try a trial. Just go to WAP and see what they offer you. Check it out. Come hang out with us. We're posting every day, every hour, play by play. We're not doing alerts. That's the biggest thing. If you're looking for alerts, you can just fuck off right now. I'm not going to make you stay or edge you with alerts saying, oh, yeah, come hang out. We tell you where to enter. No, we give you guys a chart. You can look at the chart, determine your own bias. We provide a little bit of an outline from there, but we're not doing anything fucking crazy where it's like, here, turn on these notifications and you'll get alerts. No. To trade these perp pairs, we're using Blowfin. Check that out. The link on the website will take you to a sign up link. You can use the Paper Traders one, or you can also use code Hayes or code Eddie. There's also links on the website as well. So check those out. Nice little initial deposit bonus if you're new to this game. Or you can just make another account and get a deposit bonus too. And have two accounts or then transfer your money from that account to the other one. Check out our socials on the website. You can press the little globe and it gives you a little drop down of all the socials that we have. Like I said, again, make sure you guys are following at the Paper Traders. It's the best way to stay updated with us. Make sure you guys are following at Hazed Beats. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. The content that he's posting is absolutely amazing. If you want to see a clean timeline, that's the guy that you want to be following. Ave overnight. Nice.
Yes.
You don't get fucked overnight.
Not last night.
Yes. Yep. A lot of great value. Let's get Hayes to 3,000 followers. He's 100 away. Also on my page, we're doing a little giveaway. Once we get 1,000 followers on my page, we're going to do a giveaway of the lifetime subscription for Paper Traders. So make sure you guys check out that post. Oh, damn, we're at 901. Let's go. Sweet. So 99 people away. Give it a follow. Give it a like. Retweet. Share to enter that giveaway. Retweet and follow to enter. If you guys are already following, then you're automatically entered. Just retweet that post. Let's get some peeps in this house. We're also wanting to get to 140 viewers tonight. If that doesn't happen, let's try to get it over the weekend. We're going to be streaming over the weekend. We're streaming every day. We're bringing this consistent value to you guys. Once we hit 500 viewers on this, we're going to give away some merch. I'll give you guys a dealer's choice, or I'll give you guys a choice, not dealers. Or you can just say whatever you want to send me, I'll send you. But you can either do a hat, dad hat, trucker hat, whatever you want to do, or a t-shirt. Some cool things. Or stickers. Maybe I'll throw in a free sticker in there for you as well. But yeah, let's get some peeps in this house. Spread the word. Streaming. Loving it. Other than that, that's going to be it for me.
Oh, one last thing.
It
is Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
So do with that what you will.
Take it slow. Go touch some grass. Go read a book. Stay blessed. Stay thankful. Show gratitude. And we'll see you later tonight. Peace out.